This is 4D 56 engine. Timing mark. Cam position mark. Cam position mark. This cam position mark. And fuel pump position mark. Fuel pump position. Fuel pump position, then fuel pump position, then crankshaft position, piston top, camshaft position, number 1, and balance cam position, balance cam position, 2 balance cam position, balance cam position 2, and position cam position, camshaft position, then